Welcome to RK's Digital Training. In this video, I am going to explain how to do HLOOKUP. So what is HLOOKUP stands for? H stands for horizontal lookup. Say for example, if your data is classified into a table format and all the values are horizontally displayed, so in such cases you need to use HLOOKUP. So the same concept which we have discussed in our previous video, that is using VLOOKUP. When the data is in the form of vertical, then you may use a formula called VLOOKUP. So now I will explain you how to use HLOOKUP. So now if you look at fruits, there are different fruits names here and the item number is displayed and then the corresponding price is also displayed. So now I wanted to display the fruit. Say for example, if I enter the fruit name here as papaya, it has to show me the corresponding value from this particular table. So how do I do it? You write a formula using is equal to HLOOKUP. So if you write HLOOKUP and then lookup value, so I wanted to look the fruits value and comma the table of array. So what table I need to pick? I need to pick this entire table. Select the entire table, comma row index. See the difference? VLOOKUP where you will have column index, here you will have row index. So what is my row index? I wanted to display the price. So price means that is my third row. Just write the third row and comma. Then there are two options which we have already discussed in our previous session: true approximate match, false exact match. I am going to take the exact match and close the bracket and press enter. Automatically $50 has come. So if you look at this field does not have the dollar value. How do you customize? Right click, go to format cells. Here you will have an option called currency. So here you can make the value as dollar amount. Click on OK. Automatically the value will come here. So instead of papaya, if you take mango, then see the rate will automatically change corresponding to the price whatever is available for mango. So the same thing which we have done using VLOOKUP. So how do you do it? Say let's say this entire table is in the column format. So you already know how to transpose a particular row or column. Now I wanted to transpose everything. Select everything, right click, paste special and click on transpose. Select the option as transpose and click on OK. So see, the rows are converted into columns, columns are converted into rows. So this is called transpose of a particular row or column, whatever you want. So now what I wanted to do, I wanted to display the same thing using VLOOKUP. So how do I do it? Fruits. Say for example, I wanted to take the fruit name of mango or papaya, whatever, or else whichever the fruit you want you can take. Say let's say mango, and then you will be writing the formula as VLOOKUP because the values are in vertical format. So what value you are going to look? Mango, and then enter the entire table. Select the entire table and click on column index. So which column you wanted to display? So price column is third, 1 2 3, and comma the exact match I am going to take, and once you select that, enter, automatically 1 or 2 has come. So if you wanted to make the value as dollars, go to format cells and then currency and make it as 0, then automatically the value will come. So if you wanted to see grapes, just copy and paste, automatically you will have this option. So hope you understand the difference between HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. So HLOOKUP is used when the data is horizontally represented, VLOOKUP when the data is in the format of vertical. So if you wanted to pull something vertically, then you will be using VLOOKUP. If you wanted to get something from horizontal table, then you will go with HLOOKUP. Okay, thanks for watching.